Hi class, welcome to Vegan 101 taught by Dherbs.com. Please remember to hit the subscribe button to receive notifications on future content. Depending on who you ask, the terms plant-based and vegan might mean the same thing. As interchangeable as they may seem, there are some very distinct differences between both lifestyles. So sit back, take notes, and let's dive into the lesson. So firstly, what does a vegan lifestyle consist of? Vegans have a strong belief that all living creatures have the right to life and freedom. A true vegan opposes any physical or psychological mistreatment of animals and their environment. Even the farming of animals is seen as a violation. As such, those who subscribe to the vegan diet must abstain from eating animal products as a way of not contributing to the exploitation of animals. Being vegan also means that you do not purchase or wear anything made from animal products or beauty products that may have been tested on animals. However, it should be noted that many people simply maintain vegan diets for personal health reasons and don't worry about the animal products or testings. A transition to veganism usually involves going through a vegetarian way of life first and then shifting toward being a vegan. From that point on, they can classify themselves as one of the following types of vegans. Dietary vegans, who avoid consuming animal products strictly for dietary reasons. Whole food vegans, who prefer to eat foods that are natural and nutritionally rich. Raw food vegans, who only consume uncooked foods or foods that are cooked below 118 degrees. And fruitarian vegans, who only consume fruits and occasionally vegetables. So, how does this differ from a plant-based lifestyle? Well, the plant-based lifestyle has a lot more dietary restrictions than its vegan counterpart. People who subscribe to a plant-based diet only consume what grows from the ground and has not gone through a refinement process that expels most of the food's nutrients. That means fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, and also means steering clear of meats, dairy, and unnatural processed foods. Since all the consumed foods are non-GMO and free of added preservatives or chemicals, it's known for being the healthiest dietary option for those suffering from cancer, hypertension, diabetes, and some of the more common life-threatening illnesses. Transitioning to a plant-based lifestyle is quite demanding and oftentimes complicated. It takes plenty of discipline and willpower to overcome the temptation to deviate while surrounded by societal influences. For example, restaurants that are 100% plant-based are very rare. Even in most metropolitan areas, one has to be more than okay with preparing his/her meals at home. Simply put, the difference between the two is in their focus. Veganism is focused on being animal-friendly and creating an environmentally conscious way of life. Meanwhile, being plant-based solely focuses on a diet and health, with less of a focus on animals and the environment. Choose what is best for you. That's all for today, students. See you next week for another lesson of Vegan 101, powered by Dherbs.com.